Welcome back to News Hub 88, where Mondays we cook smarter, not harder at noon. Today we're cooking up our hamburger sliders. This hamburger slider hack is perfect pick for any occasion. Let's get started. First, set your oven at 400 degrees. Now let's line a 9x13 sheet pan with parchment paper. Now grab your ground meat and place it in a large bowl. Now add your onion soup seasoning packet and your salt and pepper. Now mix that all together, don't overmix, just until it's combined. Now spread that out in the bottom of the baking sheet pan. Let's put that in the oven. Set your timer for 15 minutes. When the timer goes off, check your meat that is at 160 degrees. If it is, pull it out the oven and drain the grease off of the meat. Place it on the counter and add cheese slices to the top of the meat while it's hot to melt the cheese. Now cut it into 12 squares, grab your slider buns, place the mini cheeseburgers on the bun, top with all your favorite topping, and you're all done. There you have it, cheeseburger sliders, quick and easy as usual, on News Hub 88, where we always cook smarter, not harder. If you make them, let me know how they came out. I'd love to hear in the comments. Please like and subscribe and look out for us next week, here at 12 o'clock for our next wonderful easy recipe, right here on News Hub 88 at noon on Mondays.